Would you believe it? In many industries, desk phones are still a necessity, not because they love to stay outdated, but because they can't afford any distractions. Even the most modern legacy systems, in hospitals, banks, and front desks, don't chase multitasking. They avoid distractions by design. Because in these departments, clarity of words isn't a luxury, it's the job. A single misheard instruction can delay care. A distorted number can derail a transaction. A fumbled line can damage the trust. That's where SIP desk phones step in, giving you all the power of VoIP numbers without needing to open an app, deal with pop-ups, or scroll through cluttered logs. And with KrispCall, the AI-powered phone system, as easy as getting a VoIP numbers. Setting it up in your SIP desk phone is even easier. Let's set it up step by step. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to VoIP numbers and click on Add New Numbers. Here, purchase the numbers from 100+ countries as you need. Once numbers become available, go to their settings, scroll to Incoming Call Strategy. Select the SIP desk phone option and copy the SIP details you need. Use the details on your desk phone, and it's instantly ready to be used. SIP desk phones and VoIP numbers don't just work together, they work better together. In industries where every word, every second, and every call matter. KrispCall keeps you connected with absolute clarity. Visit KrispCall.com to start your VoIP journey today.